Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Pay Later. This convenient feature allows you to spread the cost of your purchases over time, making budgeting simpler. Whether it's a small item or a larger investment, Pay Later provides flexible options. You can often choose to pay in 4 interest-free installments or opt for longer-term financing, giving you more control over your finances when shopping online. It's designed to make your shopping experience more accessible and less stressful. To use PayPal Pay Later, you'll need an active PayPal account that's in good standing. You must also be at least 18 years old and reside in a country where the service is available. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply select PayPal at checkout. If your order qualifies, you'll see the Pay Later option presented. The application process is quick, often taking just a few moments, and a decision is usually made instantly, allowing you to complete your purchase without delay. PayPal Pay Later typically offers 2 main options: Pay in 4 and monthly installments. Pay in 4 allows you to split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments, usually made every 2 weeks over a 6-week period. For larger purchases, monthly installments might be available, extending over 6, 12, or even 24 months. While Pay in 4 is generally interest-free, monthly installment plans may include interest, so it's crucial to carefully review the specific terms and conditions presented before confirming your choice. Managing your Pay Later payments is straightforward and can be done directly through your PayPal account. Simply log in and navigate to the Pay Later section to view all your active plans, upcoming payment schedules, and past transactions. PayPal also sends helpful reminders before each payment is due, ensuring you stay organized. If you ever foresee a challenge in making a payment, it's best to contact PayPal customer service promptly. They can often provide guidance and discuss potential solutions to help you manage your plan effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.